Everybody, welcome back to another video. And today I'll be revealing one of my pets. And you don't know why I'm wearing gloves today. It's because I got one of these. It's a real life parrot. I don't know if you can see, like this. A real life parrot. Look at him. His name is Sky. He's trying to bite. This guy bites. And we got him when we went shopping. And he's trying to tie his string right now, but he can't. He bites hard. Like, look at him. Look at this man. Look at this little guy. This guy. This guy. Look at this little guy. This guy. Look at him. Like, look at him. And when we get and go shopping, I got this little guy. I also have a pet puppy. It's a female. Look at him. Oh. Look at him. Look at him. And yeah, gonna be it. And when you guys see the puppy, you might love it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.